tell me if it's good or not. So, or it's what you're looking for. When I first got started, I was about a year. I was making six figures, working as an engineer. I was trying to juggle both. Fortunately or unfortunately, I started my career right after the crash, and if anyone remembers, there were foreclosures everywhere. So they were not as abundant, but they were not as hard to pick up. Well, when I made the jump to full time, shortly after about 6 months to a year, that died off. So the access that we have now to pinpoint profits, to the vacates, to pre-foreclosures, the taxes, all those key leads that we have access to now, we didn't have. So I literally would drive, knock on doors, because I started getting nervous. Where am I going to find my next deal? I don't have all this data. I'm sitting at the courthouse. I'm knocking on these people's doors and, afraid I'm going to get shot, or driving for dollars, or putting bandit signs in and, hoping that the police don't come and call me and tell me to get my signs up or something. So, access to this data has completely transformed the business of how investors work these days. The house we're sitting in right now, I got from Pinpoint Profits, from the data feed. I've got two houses on the other side of the town that we got those from vacant feeds within Pinpoint Profits. And we have two more in subdivisions that actually was from Pinpoint Profits in the data feed. So it's kind of a no-brainer that it brings you deals.